students, I hope you all are safe. So welcome to the online math class. Okay. So last class we have discussed about how to estimate the units digits of a square numbers and what are the perfect squares. Okay. So now today class numbers between two successive square numbers. So what is mean by successive numbers? Successive numbers means what? So the difference between two numbers is 1. That two numbers are called as successive numbers. Example, for example, 3 and 4. What is 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then these two numbers are called successive numbers. Okay. Now 11 and 12. So 12 minus 11 is 1. Yes or no? So these numbers are also called as successive numbers. Okay. So here successive squares. Successive square means 1 square equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4. Okay. So numbers between successive squares. So the numbers between these two successive square numbers 1, 4. The between how many numbers are there here? 2 and 3. Yes. So what is the relation? How to find how many numbers in between of two successive squares? What is the relation? 2 into base of first number. 2 into base of first number. What is the first number here? 1. So that's why 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. So that's why how many numbers between two successive squares? How many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. What are there? 2 and 3. Okay. And now I am taking another one more example. I am taking 2 and 3. These two are successive numbers or not? Yes. Why? Because 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 square equals to how much? 4. 3 square equals to how much? 9. Okay. 2 square means 4. 3 square means 9. Now we have to find how many numbers between these two successive squares. See here we have to find using this relation 2 into base of first number. Base of first number is how much? 2. So 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4 means these two numbers between of these two squares. How many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. What are they? 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. Are you understand? So in the same way, I am taking one more example. What is that? Suppose 3 square and 4 square. 3 and 4 are two successive numbers. So 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. Okay. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. How many numbers between the successive squares? See here. Using the relation 2 into base of first number is how much? 3. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So in between of these two squares, how many numbers are there here? 6 numbers are there. What are they? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many is there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we have to remember that we have to find the numbers between two successive squares 2 into base of the first number. Okay. So by using this one you are having the first exercise 5th bit problems. You have to do it. Okay. 5th bit exercise 6.1 5th bit first problem is that 25 and 26. Here is asking that how many numbers lie between these squares. Okay. So means 25 square and 26 squares. 25 square and 26 square. How many numbers? By using the relation 2 into base of first number means how much? 25. So 25 twos how much? So 50. So there are 50 numbers lies between 25 square and 26 square. Are you understand? So there are 50 numbers lies between 25 square and 26 squares. What we have to write here? There are 50 numbers lies between 25 square and 26 squares. Okay. Thank you. Now the next topic, Pythagorean triplets. What is meant by Pythagorean triplet? Generally ABC are any three positive integers. If a square plus b square equals to c square, then ABC are called as, are said to be Pythagorean triplet. Are said to be Pythagorean triplet. See here, I am taking example 3, 4, 5. Is it a Pythagorean triplet or not? See here, we have to check, we have to use this rule, a square plus b square equals to c square. So I am taking this is a, b, c. So a square plus b square equals to c square. So a means 3 square plus 4 square equals to, which is equals to 5 square. 3 square means how much? 3 3s are 9 plus 4 square means 4 4s are 16, which is equals to 5 square means 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now 16 plus 9 is 25 equals to 25. Okay. So then this 3, 4, 5 is said to be a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Are you understand? Okay. Next, how to find Pythagorean triplet? When two numbers are given, we have to find only one number is given. It is very easy to find the remaining two. So how it is? I am taking this example only. See here. Suppose we know that only 3. Okay. So how to find the remaining Pythagorean triplets? So we have to find the square. 3 square. So how much 3 square means? 9. As 3 square means how much? 9. We have to divide by 2. By 2. Then what we have to get? 4.5. Yes or no? 4.5. So this 4.5 lies between 4 and 5. Yes or no? Yes. This 4.5 lies between 4 and 5. So then this 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Okay. So when it is possible when we are taking odd number. Suppose I am taking another one odd number. Suppose 7. 7 is odd number. So what is the remaining Pythagorean triplet here? So 7 square means how much? 49. We have to divide with 2. So what we are getting here? 24.5. 24.5. This 24.5 lies between 24 and 25. 24 and 25. So then this 7, 24, 25. This is one Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So like this we have to find how when it is odd number is given, we should find, it is very easy to find the remaining 2. Okay. Now I am taking even number. Even number. So suppose I am taking 6. Okay. So what are the remaining 2 to make a Pythagorean triplet? See here 6. So first we have to do 6 square. Okay. What is 6 square? 6 is 36. Okay. When we are taken odd number, we have done, suppose n we are taken, then n square equals to n square by 2 we done. So here by 4 we are taken even na. So by 4. So how much ma? Here 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. So what the 9? This 9 is between of 8 and 10. Is it no? 8 and 10. So then this 6, 8, 10 are called Pythagorean triplets. Once we have to check is it possible or not. 6 square plus 8 square equals to 10 square or not. 6 6 are 36 plus 8 8 are 64, which is equals to 10 10s are 100. Okay. So it is very easy method to find the one number is given means we should find the remaining 2. Okay. I hope you all are understand. Thank you children.